don't burn
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonas. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Make a wish and blow out the candle.
Alright.
Don't burn your hand. You want to lick the candle? Yeah. That's kind of nasty, Mom. Okay, let's open up the cupcake. Take off the ice or the wrapper. Okay. Don't be scared. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, get it, Joe. Go get it.
Yeah. He's like, I don't really know yet. Let me see what angle I want to take here. Get in there. Get gross. He's like, I'm so nervous. Taste it.
Mmm.
Look. See, look. Try some.
Mmm. You like that?
It's like, oh my god, this is awesome. Yeah, like dig in there, get it. Whoa. Oh yeah! There you go. Mama doesn't have to help you. Just to show you how to. Be so careful about it. Apparently this plate is because you are special today. And this plate was a gift from the Phillips family. And apparently it is a family tradition to serve, I couldn't really read it. What did it say?
Anytime there's a special occasion.
Special occasion, you use this plate. So the person feels special for the day.
Phillipses use their red plate when their kids have a birthday. When they wake up in the morning, there's a donut on it. And we're going to borrow the tradition from the Phillipses and use a cupcake.
Because I don't think they make a very healthy donut, unfortunately. I'm sorry.
I'm sure they do.
They might. They make healthy cupcakes.
I'm sure they make healthy
Yeah, probably. We'll look into that.
This looks super healthy.
I know. How is it, Jonas? That's good.
Okay.
I'll have to look that in the dictionary because I don't know what that means. Is that good? You're making a mess and I love it. Jonas. Jonas. Is that good?
Hey.
It's like, yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna get sick later. That was a good try. You know, I think you got a whole lot in your mouth.
Don't gag yourself. Is that so good?
Yeah. I do.
Say, Daddy, you're funny. Doesn't take much, yeah. Cheese! Are you done? Just trying to get you to smile. Ah. Are you done?
Pick the whole thing up.
God, he's gonna get a bath for sure. Don't you dare, mister. I don't understand why he does that. He's just going for the icing. Whatever that means.
Are you done? Are you finished? Are you finished?
No, he's not finished. He's just making sure there's no cupcake underneath the plate. So I don't think so. I don't know if I'm finished yet. There's a whole plate full of cupcake and he's eating the crumbs off the high chair. Ooh. With that strawberry, because I don't think he likes those. Because he tried to eat a strawberry the other day. Do you want that? And he didn't like it at all.
The icing's real good.
He thinks so too. Keep these eyes. Like, this icing is phenomenal. Jonas sticks his finger so far back in his throat. Whoa, no.
Got some cake that time.
He's got a little icing beard. You want to turn it around this way? And some chocolate. Mommy and Daddy are going to eat their cupcake when you go to bed. And we probably look just like you are right now. You'll probably eat it the same way. Like that. What a special moment. You want real food now? You want real food now? We finished? Jonas, you finished? You finished? Mommy gets to have the fun job. Oh, you're finished?
Alright, he's finished.
Okie dokie. Are you sure? Yeah, I guess so.
Yay!
Good job, buddy.
Great job.
Can you say bye-bye?
He's looking at it.
Jonas,
may not be finished.
maybe we'll save it for tomorrow. Jonas, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ooh, don't...
Bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. You're so precious. Happy birthday, son. I love you. Whoa, okay, hey, bye-bye. You surprised Mommy. I didn't think you'd do it. Okay, happy birthday, buddy. I love you. Mwah.